I'm a firm believer of creating what brings you joy, so that's what we're going to do here today in this video, setting up our Kindle for 2024 so we can make sure that we actually reach those reading goals and pick up this thing time and time again. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello, I am Myra. I am your Notion Loving Slytherin. So first things first, we want to go ahead and start getting our Kindle Prep so we can have it ready to go and something that we want to go back to. So I suggest go ahead and adding those books that you are looking to read. Don't go too crazy on this. Buy one or two books that you already have on your list, or things that bring you a little bit of interest, or like in my case, maybe revisiting a book that you read growing up. Add that onto your Kindle, so once we get everything set up, it's there waiting for you, and all you have to do is click on that book to dive right on into those pages, or digital pages. So now that we have the books ready to go on our Kindle, let's go ahead and spice it up a bit. I don't know if you know this, but you can actually trick the Kindle to have a custom screensaver for you. Yes, you absolutely can. The trick is just creating your own designs and making them into faux ebooks. Now I do have a YouTube short on how to create one for your own, so if you want to check that out, I will leave the link down below. Or if you are looking to purchase the exact one I have or don't have the time to do that, girl, I got you. You can check out my Etsy shop. I'm going to have the one that I am actually designing right now for my Kindle listed, as well as a few other listings that I have that will maybe tickle your fantasy. All right, so we have our Kindle here. I think it turned out super cute. Very, very simple. You don't have to get too crazy just to add a little bit of personality to it. Now, I do want to take this a little bit further. I've had this brown skin on for a few months now, and I think it's time to move on. I'm feeling very greens, so I am going to go ahead and take off the skin. This skin here is actually from Sticky. This skin here is actually from Sticky Tech. I've recently found them. I've talked about them a little bit in my iPad video because I have used a bit of their skins for my iPad as well. So if you're interested, definitely go ahead and check them out. Not affiliated, not sponsored. I just think they have a really good product. Now, the skin that I'm actually going to be putting on this Kindle, the green one, is from LOCKSCREENS. Honestly, I do prefer Sticky Tech better. They're pretty comparable as far as products, but I found that Sticky Tech didn't leave a residue. And I'm the type of person who likes to switch things up when it comes to my cozy tech. So you're probably going to see a different skin on here sometime later on the year. I have skins on my iPad, on my Switch. So it is very, very important for me to not have that residue. I think moving forward, I'm going to be a Sticky Tech girly, so definitely check them out. They really have some great designs. Okay, so I have been rocking this clear case. I just lifted it up a little bit, but I think this time around I'm going to leave the clear case off. As you can see, this is the reason why. It fits snug, which is perfect if I don't have a skin on it, because I want it to fit snug and not add a little bit more bulk. But with the skin on it, it does lift up the corners a bit, and I just really did not like that. So since I won't have the clear case this time around, I'm going to have to stick my stickers down and actually commit, which, yikes, I'm really nervous about, but we're gonna cross that bridge when we get there. Absolutely no residue on the back of that. All right, we got that skin all off. I did go ahead and go in and clean off the actual Kindle. It does come with those little like wet wipes to clean off your Kindle with before lay the vinyl down, but I don't like those. I prefer to use these electronic wipes from Windex. Love these down. I use this on literally all of my electronics. We buy these like crazy, and I think it gives me a much cleaner finish. And then I kind of like air dry it a little bit and go in with my microfiber towel, especially on the screen, to get rid of any dust, anything that was left over that the wipe didn't pick up. So we're all clean. That means we're ready to go. So when you do purchase vinyl, regardless of where you get it, it's pretty standard. You get your front piece and your back piece. You're going to want to use your weeding tool here, and you can actually, this one I actually got from the Dollar Tree, so you don't have to spend a whole bunch on these, and a good old hair dryer. I think this is a Revlon. Like, this hair dryer has served me well. It is still kicking, but you're gonna need the hair dryer. I will drop a link down to Sticky Tech. She actually has a tutorial on how to apply them, and that's how I do it, and I get a pretty good finish. All right, we got the skin on. It's looking really good, really nice. So I'm really happy with it. Now for the fun part. We gotta decorate, we gotta get her together, we gotta put some stickers on. I think I am going to keep a few that were on before. These just feel very kind of cozy to me. Let me see what else I have. Picked out a few more here with just a little bit of quotes. We got Professional Overthinker, Books and Coffee, and then I had to come in with the heart shape pizza. We're going to see, we may have to, I was trying not to overlap this go around because I do want to try to save the stickers as much as I can since I'm going to actually stick them down. I just don't see where. I wish I had a lot more smaller die cuts to kind of fill the spaces, but I'm going to save this one. I think I'm going to save this one. But yeah, let's go ahead and stick these down, and I'm so excited. It is really, really coming together. All right, so we are done. I actually was able to add on this Beyonce sticker that I found, which is so stinking cute. But I am obsessed. It is so cute. When I tell you I am ready to go ahead and cozy up in my cozy corner and just get to the books that I really enjoyed growing up. Let me know what you all think. If you guys are inspired to do something a little bit different with your Kindle, or if you have any other tips and tricks as far as what you do to make sure that you continue to come back to it, especially if you struggle with keeping up with your reading goals, drop those down below. This is a community here. We love to give tips and tricks to one another. So there's going to be somebody who can really, really enjoy and use that. That somebody is definitely me. So down below, if you haven't done so already, be sure to leave this video a like. If you want to check out some more of my Kindle content, you can check out these videos here, and I will catch you all in the next video.